Properly depositing a check in Monzo is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, launch the Monzo app on your smartphone or tablet. Log into your Monzo account using your username and password or any other authentication method you have set up. Look for an option within the app related to check deposits. This may be labeled as deposit check, mobile check deposit, or something similar. Once you have found the check deposit feature, follow the on-screen instructions. This typically involves taking pictures of the front and back of the check. You may be prompted to enter details such as the check amount and other relevant information. Make sure to provide accurate information. Review the information you have entered and the images you have taken to ensure clarity and accuracy. Once you are satisfied, submit the check for processing. The check may not be instantly deposited, and there might be a processing period. Check the app for any updates on the status of your check deposit.